Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car of the 2016 66 Reg 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in Alpine White. The vehicle also features a wide array of very sought after BMW options alongside the stunning YNC Mperformance body styling kit. You will also be able to see the 20-inch CS style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres. They're finished in the wonderful frozen grey. Sitting behind the alloys you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. And on this 4 Series Gran Coupe, we do have the full M Sport Plus package. Back to the front of the car, you can see the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Also down the side, from BMW are the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. As well as, and thanks to the M Sport Plus package, you'll see the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Inside is a full black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar front seats. There is a 6-speed manual, and we've also got, again thanks to the Plus package, the Harman Kardon surround sound, as you can see there. For the rear passengers, you'll find a very spacious and very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest, all brought nicely together with the darkened M Sport headlining. Round towards the back now, and once again we'll just quickly show you off the wonderful 20-inch CS style alloys. Really are a very nice fit for the 4 Series Gran Coupes, especially in the colour that we've gone for on this car. Gloss black rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser. Not only have we got the rear parking sensors as well as front on this car, there is a rear facing reversing camera. If you've not yet seen the boot space for the Gran Coupes, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. It is a massive space, along with split folding seats and removable bottom and top parcel shelves. Round onto the driver's side now. Once again, everything's lovely and clean and tidy, and the Alpine White works extremely well with those additions we've added, alongside of course being a very nice colour from BMW. Inside we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll begin by showing you that rear facing reversing camera, as you can see there. Moving over to the navigation menu now, where again having that bigger screen is a massive benefit. It's a really easy system to use by itself, but again having that bigger screen is always going to be very worth having. Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the music collection, external devices for USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio. Down here is the dual climate controls, along with where we'll find the switches for the heated seats. However, the seats aren't the only thing to be heated in this car, as we do also get a heated multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So that's now on, and everything's getting really nice and warm. So it means when you've got your hands on the steering wheel, especially this time of year, you're really going to be grateful that this car comes with that. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. The car itself is actually covered just over 96,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout this walk around you've seen that it is in superb condition, and I can tell you from whilst I'm sat in here, everything looks and feels and sounds exactly as if it had done a lot less mileage than that. The next service is due in 7,000 miles, or the date stated, which is the second month of 2022. In terms of the car's service record, as you can see, we've got comprehensive servicing from BMW now on screen. If you'd like some more information on this 420D M Sport Gran Coupe, all you have to do is simply follow the links in the description, or alternatively, of course, you can give us a telephone call or drop us an email, and all of those contact information is also in the description as well. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Thank you. Bye bye.